from Charlotte. Another line going from in Florida.
What did he say?
This show is some freaky shit.
Florida down to Tampa.
Of Putin's yeah.
11 points will bring you.
Nature, not a solid meeting with
You disgust me. How can you live with yourself?
they make a very good point. Here's the deal. Here's what drives the driver.
No, it wasn't me. It was the one-armed man.
In the states that are affected, here's what you can do, the drivers.
Why are you the way that you are?
We want to expand pre-K for 3 and 4-year-olds, millions of pre-K.
Never, ever, 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 ever leave each other.